Sometimes we feel कि कोई मंजिल पाने के लिए ब्रेन को कैसे ट्रेन किया जाए, and if we have to connect the dots of brain, what are those steps which we have to take to structure our thoughts? Our speaker for this session is a neuro coach जो यहाँ आई हैं हमारे ब्रेन को रीवायर करने के लिए. While I was talking to her, उन्होंने बताया कि if given a chance, she would rename the movie DDLJ from दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे to दिमाग वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. आखिर खेलना दिल से होता है और जीतना दिमाग से. Looks interesting ना? हर फूल की महक होती है और यही महक सलोनी तक पहुंचाने के लिए आई रिक्वेस्ट मिस परमजीत जुनेजा, डायरेक्टर ऑफ कैपको इंजीनियर फ्रॉम इन्फो फॉर्म, काइंडली टू ऑनर द. सलोनी मैम, मैंने आपके YouTube देखे एंड हर वीडियो कुछ कहता है एंड देयर इज सो मच टू से अबाउट यू. लेट अस सी व्हाट आवर AV टीम हैज प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर यू.
Saloni Suri. With a career spanning over 25 years, Saloni is a distinguished executive leadership neuro coach, trainer, and author. Saloni is a true trailblazer, merging the profound power of neuroscience-based models of change with spiritual wisdom to empower her clients to rewire their brains and unlock their full potential. She has touched the lives of over 2,000 individuals through 100+ workshops and coaching sessions held across India, Malaysia, and Dubai. She holds a master's and MPhil degree from the prestigious Delhi School of Economics. In 2018, she authored the insightful book How Jia Kills Jia. Judgments, expectations, and assumptions can kill the heart. In 2017, she founded her own company, The Coach, which has enabled her impact executive leadership across different geographies. Please welcome the mind-blowing Saloni Suri on stage.
Thanks, AV team. Today is a blessing for me. Today, I am free to make choices for myself. Today, I am grateful for all the wonderful opportunities that come my way. Today, I am my own cheerleader. So बस हमेशा तैयार रहें एक नई दौड़ के लिए. Dear participants, let the sweet voice of Saloni take over from here on the topic BRICS.
आप जाओ. Relax. So I really cannot sit and talk because that's just not me. And I'm here to share a very important thing with you. I'm going to take about 25 minutes is the time that has been given to me. And my request to everybody is that you see that you have a piece of paper in your hand, a lot like on your tables. Everybody's got these, just take that and just take a pencil that is lying in the center, everybody. Just have a piece of paper in your hand and just see that you have a pencil in your hand. Am I audible at the back? Can you see me if I get down here? We are good. Show me your pencil and paper. Okay, now we are talking. Now we are talking. Good job. So I'm going to share 5 techniques with you very quickly in 25 minutes. I have less than 30 minutes to create magic and make a difference in your life, and I'm gonna freaking do my best. Cool beans? Are we good so far? We have very little time, so pay attention, stay focused. Cool? Just write down. There are 5 bricks, B-R-I-C-S. I need to carry forward. Right? Okay, just write down B.R.I.C.S. Bricks, B-R-I-C-S. Are we good? Yeah? Number 1, write down. Just, you've written bricks? I'm just going to randomly come and check if aap log kar rahe ho ki nahi kar rahe ho. Good job, good job. So this is what I'm talking about. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Are you the camera? Yeah? So this is what everybody, can you just put it up there quickly? So this is what I'm talking about. If you can, everybody just see that you have it like this. Cool? Good job. What's your name, young lady? Dr. Sonal. Thank you so much. B-R-I-C-S. Cool beans? Number 1. Just write down. Number 1. I believe. I believe. Okay? So my question to all of you today is, अपने आप को समझ क्या रखा है? बताओ? बताओ, बताओ. अपने आप को समझ क्या रखा है? Right? And the reason I speak this is careful. I believe. What follows I follows you. And listen to me carefully now. Our beliefs create our reality. And then we go looking into the world for evidence to match it. I'll repeat it. ऊपर से चला गया क्या? Our beliefs create our reality. If you believe you can do something, you can do it. Right? So what do you believe? As an entrepreneur, I want you to do fill in the blanks in your professional capacity here today. Right? You're a homemaker, you're an entrepreneur, you're a budding coach yourself. Write down, I believe. I believe. Fill in the blanks. Quickly, come on. Number 1, you're going to go away. Time nahi hai, 20 minutes hai, 5 programs banane hain, fatafat. I believe. Write it down. Quickly, 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 write it down. Fast, fast, fast. Jaldi, jaldi. We have little time. Quick, quick, quick. Come on, come on, come on. Move it, move it, move it. You finished? Okay.
I believe I am a good homemaker.
Good job.
I believe I will achieve my goals.
So this is very macro. I need it to be specific. Yeah?
Yeah. I believe I will achieve my target which I have set up for my profession.
Yeah, go for it.
I believe I can achieve my financial as well as emotional goals.
Okay. That's a tall one, but we'll give it a shot and we'll see what we can do with it. Right? You want to go for it? Go for it.
I also believe in joy of giving.
Okay. So I believe in the joy of giving. So whatever you believe in becomes your reality. Belief, and listen to me carefully, belief is the switch that controls our biology. I'll repeat it. Belief is the switch that controls our biology. So if you believe that it is not possible, it is not going to be possible. Your brain is designed to give you evidence that whatever it is you are believing in is going to be true for you. Because that is how powerful the human brain is. 1.4 kgs of muscle. Everybody has it the same. Your brain, my brain is exactly the same. But the way I use it is different from the way you use it. Can you use it differently? Of course you can. You and I go and buy the iPhone 15 Pro 250 GB from Chroma. You and I are going to buy the same freaking phone. After 3 months, your phone will be very different from my phone. Let us say I meet you at Indore IMA at the conference. Both of us are meeting. There is something that's happening. And suddenly you just take your phone and you just put it up on the screen and you're like, hey, how's it going? I'm like, what? How did you do that? I just did it from my phone. I said, what phone do you have? I have the iPhone 15 Pro. I said, so do I. You get my point? Everybody has the same skill set. Everybody has the same ability to use their brain in the way they want to. It is your choice. I believe. I want you to write down whatever you have written. Write down, I believe. I am limitless. Likho, 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 jaldi likho, fatafat, fatafat. I believe I am limitless. Because ladies, the truth of the matter is that you are limitless. You always were, and you're always going to be. Standing in front of you is a very successful neurocoach who started her career at 48 years old with no education. I am not even certified. I don't even have a certification, and I'm so bloody good at what I do. Right? But the reason is, I'm also very well educated. What did I study? Geography. Masters, MPhil, Delhi school, top of the notch. Chote the. I'm much older to many of you over here. Yeah. उस ज़माने में किसी ने पूछा नहीं, बेटा तुम्हें क्या पढ़ना है? इसको हॉस्टल में एडमिशन चाहिए, हाँ जी मैडम आउटसाइड द काउंटर, इसमें मैक्सिमम इसको मिल जाएगा, इसमें आप दे दो, सुनिए तेरे को ज्योग्राफी करा लें, उसमें तेरे को हॉस्टल मिल जाएगा. My father was in the services. He got posted. I had to be left in a hostel. I was 15 years old. 15 years old. It's tough for a mother to leave her 15-year-old kid. Yeah? I'm talking many, many years back. Right? But that is the way it was. But my father told me, you're not going to get married till you're not educated and till you're not earning. So even forget about it. I'm like, what? Yeah. When you start earning, you can get married. Number 2, see to it, right? That when you get married and the work that you do, anywhere you are, right? His default was, अपने husband की सुनना, जो तुम्हारा husband बोलेगा तुम करना, right? He's telling me all of that, but he's also telling me that, you know what? Wherever you are, you can do whatever you want, beta. It doesn't matter. You can learn whatever you want. It doesn't matter. This is the best that I could do. I found you this guy. I've been married for 30 years to this absolutely amazing guy. I lucked out and don't have kids, right? Because don't bring another soul into this world if you're not sure whether you're going to be with this guy, because the karma of that is not too good. I said, cool, I'll take my time. Mother-in-law came and asked me, beta, are you okay? I said, yeah, I'm good. Correct? This created a belief system in me. Right? I was fearless. I didn't believe that anything could stop me. Right? I believed that I could do whatever I wanted to do. I believed I could become whoever I wanted to become. So the programming, the belief system of a child is set up in the age group of 0 to 7. R. Write down. Relationships. Right? If your relationships are strong, if your relationships are in a good place with yourself, you get the power to believe that you are unstoppable. There are 3 relationships, and listen carefully. There are 3 relationships in this world that cannot be messed around with and that cannot be changed. Number 1, the relationship with your parents. Number 2, the relationship with your siblings. Number 3, the relationship with your child. It cannot change. Your friends can change. Your partner can change. Your child will always remain your child. Your goal in life is to be at peace with these three relationships. Because these are the three relationships which cause maximum stress. Number one, parents. Number one, parents. Number two, siblings. Number three, children. Pati coming, pati going. Unfortunately, that is the reality. That relationship, believe it or not, these three relationships are set in time. They cannot be changed. You might have a divorce. Your child will always remain your child, come what may. Your brother or sister will always remain your brother or sister. And so will your parents. Your in-laws can never be your parents. It's not possible. That is a fundamental mistake that women make. They get very confused in this relationship. Your mother-in-law is not supposed to love you. No, it is fundamentally a wrong expectation to have. Because biologically, listen to me carefully, neurologically, it is not possible. Your mother, a mother is always going to love her child. You are given a choice between saving your mother and your mother-in-law. You will always reach out to your mother. Always. It is biological. You have to take care of your child and you have to take care of your sister-in-law's child. Both are about to die. You will save your child. It is inevitable. That is the wiring of the human brain. B-R-I. Imagination. Likho, otherwise you'll not remember. You think your memory is very good? No. The minute you write, you remember. Number one, believe in yourself. Number two, ensure that you are at peace in these three relationships that I spoke to you about. Use your imagination. Right? Imagination, every time you use your imagination, you're moving forward towards your goals. Right? Meditation is imagination. Be mindful that every time you are using your brain, excuse me, you are wiring in new neural pathways. As you grow older, remember always to travel more. When you will travel more, you will see to it that you are putting in new neural pathways in your file. As you, above the age of 35, remember, our brain becomes a set of memorized behaviors. These behaviors are going to make you stay in your comfort zone. Do you think you can move forward and be able to cope in this VUCA world, as we call it, as you move forward and achieve your goals? The phone is upgrading every 1.5 months. Right or wrong? If you don't upgrade your 1.4 kgs of muscle in your brain, where the hell are you going to be? Right? It's not possible. The brain changes till the day you die. It's called neuroplasticity. 20 years ago, we didn't even believe that. We thought, oh, this is the way it is. No. My 84-year-old mother knows how to use the iPhone now. For, I think, 10 years she has fought, कितने पैसे तुम लोग waste करते हो? 1 लाख का कोई phone लेता है? I am very fine. Then I have an older brother, he lives in the States, and then finally we managed to get her to use the iPhone. And pre-COVID, I remember I went home and she had the iPhone 10. And she says, ये screen में ना मजा नहीं आता. Ab now I need a bigger screen. I'm like, what, mom? What are you talking about? She said, yeah, I've learned it. She's learned FaceTime, she's learned Sudoku, she's learned WhatsApp, she can do WhatsApp calls. You name it, and that woman can do it. Why? Because we started the learning by using emotion. Remember, whenever there's a war between emotions and logic, who do you think wins? Always emotions win. Right? When you use your imagination to take yourself forward towards your goals, what do you think happens to your body? Your body biologically shifts. It moves. And it gives you ideas to move forward. When we are small, our parents systematically kill the cells that help us to be imaginative. All children are born, all of you sitting over here, when you were babies, your imagination was sky high. But then, parents, environment, community tells us, you can't. ये नहीं कर सकते, ये नहीं कर सकते, ये नहीं कर सकते, नहीं हो सकता, नहीं, 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 नहीं. बच्चे को जो स्टोरी सुनाओगे ना, वो सुन लेगा, वो बिलीव भी कर लेगा. But then, we use words like, what rubbish. Then life's experiences sometimes close down our imagination because we get tired, because we have done it so many times. Right? And then the brain starts giving up. And you stop imagining. Right? I'm going to ask you a question. When is the last time you were able to imagine the best version of yourself? And if you were to imagine the best version of yourself, what would it be? What would it be? Unleash your imagination. Come on, come quickly, quickly. Get up, get up, get up. Come here, fast, come here. Come here. Up, idhar aao, jaldi aao, jaldi aao, jaldi aao. You, and you, both of you, come here. Fast, fast, fast. Stand here. What's your name?
Asha.
Asha.
Yeah.
Answer my question, Asha. Quickly, come here. Answer my question.
So actually,
Professionally, personally, jo dil mein lagta hai.
so actually it's quite funny. Actually, my co-sister, she's a budding life coach, like you know. So she did this exercise with me when she said, you know, imagine, and what can you imagine yourself, like the best version of yourself. And I have two small girls, and my whole imagination was me with like 8, 9 hands, like Mataji type. Ki you're doing here, going here, you're taking care of their education, you're taking care of the house, you're managing your kids, trying to work, do something on your own. So that's how I imagine myself doing so much. You know, I wish I had a couple of more hands to do my things. Yeah.
Good job, well done.
Yeah.
Next, you can go and sit. Thank you so much for coming.
I think the best version of myself would be I'm doing simultaneously, you know, multiple professions. That I don't have to stick one profession as a, you know, I can be a singer and a chartered accountant and an entrepreneur and everything else.
Okay, stay here. Now, whatever you have said, repeat it to this audience by saying, I believe.
Yes, I believe. And I am a singer. Actually, I do this. I am a chartered accountant. I believe. I'm a chartered accountant.
Who's a kick-ass singer.
Who's a kick-ass singer.
Who fearlessly
you know, does the entrepreneurship and dances and does the performances and become a coach and like that.
ये सब मेरे पीछे प्रोफेशन के पीछे क्यों पड़े हुए हैं?
You look so, you know, amazing because of that.
Thank you for sharing that.
Hello, good evening to all of you. I imagine myself professionally at the peak of my career as I'm a banker. So I see myself as a government banker, I see myself as an MD and CEO of a bank. All of you are entrepreneur here. So obviously a bank and an entrepreneur is a better combination. So
I believe
I'm an MD and CEO of future any of the public sector bank and want to be associated with all of you any moment in the life. Thank you.
Thank you. Which brings us to C, B. Okay, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and I want the entire audience to repeat to me the B. We have done B, we have done I, we have done B, we have done R, we have done I. B for? I believe. Hello, excuse me. I believe. Number 2, BR. 3 relationships you have to be at peace with. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Good job. You have to use your. Number 4 is communication. That is what we just did with these 3 beautiful ladies who just came here. If you don't know how to communicate with yourself and with others, it is a no-go. Because communication is the business, it is the currency with which you interact, build relationships with each other. If you don't know how to quieten that voice in your head, which is with you all the time, it stays with you till the time you go to sleep, 60 to 70,000 thoughts in a day. If you don't learn how to quieten that monkey mind, and you don't know how to build that narrative for yourself, which takes you forward towards your goals, how will you move from here to here? And if you are a business leader, if आप अपने आप को point A से point B तक नहीं ले जा सकते, तो किसी और को कैसे लेके जाओगे? How is it possible? खुद हिल नहीं सकते यहाँ से वहाँ तक, कोई आपको क्यों follow करेगा? खुद तो आप अपने आप को lead कर नहीं रहे हो. Right or wrong? If you can lead yourself, you can lead others. If you can't take yourself from point A to point B, what kind of a leader are you? And why will anybody follow you? Communication is the key to building relationships. Right? Number 1, B for? R for? I for? C for? And S for serving others. We are born to serve others through our gifts, through our skills. When you start walking a spiritual life, when you start walking a life in which you understand that goal achievement is only in your action, the outcome is not in your control. It never was, it never will be. We are all born to serve others with our gifts and with our blessings. And the day you learn to look at your business with this outlook, the way you turn up for yourself becomes different. It just becomes different. Because for you, it's a working day for me. I have left Mumbai. I have come here to talk to you for 30 minutes. Because I believe there is someone sitting over here who needs to hear what I have to say. I don't know who it is, but I think somebody needs to hear it. And therefore, I will make that effort to come here. Right? Your work is in the service. Do you think a person like me, it is easy to learn Instagram? You think it is easy for... I do not belong to a generation, I'm 55 years old, I do not belong to a generation where it is easy for me to take out my phone and reel pe reel banao or post karo. Nahi, it's not cool. It's very difficult. I learned Instagram after COVID. Right? You think it's easy for me to do it? You think I get it? I don't. But do I do it? Yes, I do. I do. Because I changed my belief system after COVID. Because I'm a corporate trainer, I would go all over India, all over the world, going to corporates, doing leadership training. COVID, my business was over. It was finished. It's ground zero. What do? I had these young clients. Coach, there is something called Instagram. What is Instagram? All these 22-year-old useless, I'm one major Gyan guru training CEOs at the top notch. Ye kya mera samjhenge? That is a mindset. Can you change your belief system? Of course you can. Is it easy? No. It's hard. But is it possible? Yes, it is. You can believe whatever you want. It does not matter. But it has to take you forward towards your goals. I had to remind myself why I do what I do. The purpose of coaching is to help other people. Right or wrong? So your work is in the service of others. What is IMA doing today? You are serving a community of women. Right or wrong? खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे, बोल तेरी रजा क्या है? What is it? Tell the world what you want and it shall fall on your feet. Believe in yourself, build your relationships, use your imagination, communicate fearlessly, and let every work you do be in the service of others. All right? I'm on time? I'm on time. Thank you so much. If the we can ask? Not allowed? Achha, your job? No. I can ask? Okay. Okay. If anybody would like to ask me questions, I'm right here. How much time do we have? Only one question? Only one question. Anybody has a question or are we good to go?
One question.
Yes.
How can you change the mindset of a person who is depressed? Because a lot of students come to me who are depressed. How can you just tell me quickly, how can you make them believe?
So depression is the starting point of the depression of emotions. They are not able to express. And if they come to you because they are depressed, the first thing I would tell you to tell them is to move their body early in the morning. First thing, exercise, move your body. The minute you move your body, you release a chemical called endorphins. Yeah, that's the first thing. But
Thank you, ma'am. If we have to say thank you from mind, then it would be like thank you from the bottom of my heart. But if I have to say thank you from heart, I would say दिमाग की बत्ती जला दी. उसके लिए mentors नहीं, सलोनी के thoughts चाहिए. The talk which has put us on a different GPS and navigation of mind requires recenter the same way America has done to redefine skincare. Food is getting redefined with our millet partner, Pure Choice, and now is the time to redefine our thoughts of brain. Thank you, Saloni, once again.